Hello everyone, Sam is from creativetrading.system.com, making this a small video for about gold. So let's get started. I'm not gonna go a long way back because I recently made a video. So if you want to see my older chart, you just watch the video, right? But this is the one that on the weekly chart on 26th October I made, and it was saying that basically this wave 1, 2, and wave 3 was finished, and we're supposed to be dropping into wave 4. Wave 4 usually comes in 3 waves or 5 waves. 3 waves as a flat, 5 waves as a triangle, right? So, but it's supposed to be dropping from here. So what happened to this chart? You can see here that it dropped right away, right? So it came down exactly where I said that it's going to drop. But this is I was expecting that something like that, right? Not that fast, right? So it did drop very fast, right? But this could be A, and then we're supposed to go up for B, and then drop for C, and that would be the end of wave 4. So what happened to this chart is this. I made another chart, like explaining and showing the direction that we're gonna go up for here, like around 27, and then we're gonna drop here around maybe 24, 25, something like that, right? So what happened? This happened. This is basically a 4-hour chart. That was like a weekly chart. So I said this one is like more elaborated, right? It's like a detailed chart, right? So here we have one big drop here as wave A, and now I said, well, this B and C supposed to be happening in the near future. And what happened? This happened. So we went straight up exactly from where I said that's going to go up. It went up for B, and it is around like 61%, 26.92. Like I said, that around like 27. That was my target. So it went high as 27.10. And then I made the chart when it was here. Over the weekend, I made the chart. This was on 23rd. I made the chart, and I gave it to my subscribers. And and I think I posted publicly as well, saying that it's going to drop now from here for wave C. Now going down and going to the upside, and I'm making tons of trades, right? Because it's easy, and once you know the direction, then you can just trade. So I already showed it, those trades in my last video, so I don't have to show that again, right? But I want to show that what happened now that is start to drop here like this, right? And then even more. So I showed it the damn thing from the top here, expected, and then I showed it that, and then again in the middle here, and then this was another one, but this got closed at break even. So this is what happened to this chart, and now this is the one that I showed it from the top, right? So it's well, actually I didn't. This one you can see the small arrow. This was the trade was opened by my expert advisor, robot, and it automatically opened the trade. And when I woke up, it was like here. So I said, "Oh, all right." So I didn't know, right? I was sleeping. So yeah, this EA comes handy in these times, right, when you are not available or sleeping or out there doing something. But as long as you know what probably going to happen, and then you put the EA in that direction, it as soon as you have a setup, it opens the trade and move the SL to break even and all of that, right? So this one 290 to the downside from here to here, and another one from middle here, but a higher time frame, because I that wasn't with the setup, and I opened the trade myself. After dropping, it retraced back to 26.85, and that's where I took it. And obviously this is without the setup, right? But the thing is that this one I took it for my Omar's signal service Telegram, right? I posted this one on that as well, which was he posted there. This is the other one. She's selling gold at 26.85. This is 26.85. So it was here, and he sold it in this account and his account, and he posted in the Telegram here as well. And from there on, you can see what happened all the way down to 26.25. So that's almost 600 pip, right? 26.85 to 26.25. And it went down all the way. And this is where we close the trade, right? And then he posted here, the goal, and then all, the whole thing, the chart, this chart here as well, actually 75% was closed at around, well, he didn't put the level. It was for 450. I did post it here somewhere. Well, at 26.40. Yeah. So 70% of this trade was 26.40 somewhere here, and then rest of the 30% all the way down to 26.25. So we closed this trade, and we're waiting for something else as well. So this is what the gold is doing, and still it may retrace back up a little bit and then drop, right? And also here, see that. Let me see if I can show you. EJ, I said that the selling EJ again at 61.76. So 61.76 EJ is selling, and it is still running on my in this computer. And then let me show you the EJ. See, this is the EJ. Let me get out of here now. So the EJ selling here from 61.76, and it is at the moment 61.10. It went down as much as 80. Right, so it was like 90 pip positive, and now it is only, how much is it now? It is only 65 pip. So what the heck, right? So, but the problem here that I was doing something else, and then I wasn't here, and getting prepared for the the making the video. You see this daily range 156, and it already did today 125. So pretty close to the daily range already, and it was also close to this. So it may drop, may not, So I'm gonna take a chance and then hold on to it and see what happened. My another on other account, I have another one, GJ short also running, right, and it is also positive 50, 60 pips right now. But this was positive almost like 90 pip at one point, and Omar posted that on the Telegram. You can see here that I think he posted it. Yeah, see that AJ is now 90 pip positive when it was already here. This is a 40-minute chart, by the way, right? So a small candle is a lot of pips, right? So from here to here, almost right, 60, 65 pips, still positive. So if it turns and then go down again one more time, I think that we're probably gonna touch this one here, right? So this is how it is. This is my Telegram, and the Telegram channel. Joining the Telegram, if you want to join this Telegram channel, then you can go on my website and you can join there easily, right? And if you want to learn about this Elliott wave, mumbo jumbo, and all of that, then you can also sign up one-on-one. I still have some opening left, right? I can take maybe 2 or 3 more right now for one-on-one coaching, right? And you can see that this was the chart. I had this one. I made the chart Saturday. So market open Sunday, and today is Monday, and we already have dropped from there to there. Then I had one trade was 600, the other one was 290. So almost like 900 to the down, from the top. So this is how it is. And I think that gold probably gonna go up a little bit, like just like this one after dropping, and then it went up and then drop. So A, B, and this could be like wave 1, and then you might go up for wave 2, then followed by 3, 4, 5. C wave usually comes in 5 waves, right? So that's what I'm expecting. So today's game is over. I'm waiting. Right now is the slowest time. It's 9 o'clock in the evening Eastern time, right? So I will just go out and do something, shopping and all of that, and then come back and sleep, and then wake up in the London session, and then I'll see what I can do. A lot of temptation here. See, my alarms are beeping here. That this is a long setup, there is short setup, but this is Asian channel session. I'm not gonna do anything. I'm just gonna go and relax a little bit, and then in London session. So just wanted to share with you guys that how gold is doing. Just trade accordingly. Like I said, that if you want to learn all these Elliott wave, Elliott wave, you can see that I predicted that it's gonna drop. It dropped. I had a lot of trades taken to the downside. Then from A to B, I had almost 6, 7 trades, and already from B to C now, just one day here, and I had 2 big trades, right? One for 290, the other one for almost, for I think it's like 590, right? So this is how it is. All right. So bye for now, and talk to you guys later. And don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel so you can get the direction of these different things. I'm not covering any other things right now. Just EJ that I showed. GJ is also dropping. So let's see what happens. All right. So bye for now, and talk to you guys later.